Hello everyone. In this part 3 of linear programming, we are going to discuss transportation problems. So let's start with the question number 1. A medical company has factories at two places P1 and P2. From these places, supply is made to each of its three agencies situated at A, B and C using CNG vehicles. The monthly requirements of agencies are respectively 40, 40 and 50 packets of medicines, while the production capacity of P1 and P2 are 60 and 70 packets respectively. The transportation cost per packet from the factories to the agencies are given below. It means the transportation cost from P1 to A, 5 rupees for per packet. Transportation cost from P2 to C, 5 rupees per packet. So like this chart is given. How many packets from each factory to be transported to each agency so that the cost of transportation is minimum. Also find the minimum cost, express it as LPP and then solve it. So for this, first of all, let us consider the number of packets transported from P1 to A and B are X and Y respectively, and the total cost of transportation be rupees Z. We have to make this chart. Using this chart, we will find out the value of Z also and the constant also. So we are considering X packet transferred from P1 to A, Y packet transferred to from P1 to B. It means P1 can transport 60 minus X minus Y packets to agency C. Now this is P2. Agency A already got 5 X packets. It means how many packets now agency A can take? 40 minus X. And for this part, how many packets this agency can take? 40 minus Y. Now P2 can transfer 70 minus 40 minus X minus 40 minus Y packets to agency C. First of all, we will find out the value of Z. Z means this is the X packet. Cost of each packet is 5. It means what this become 5X plus 4Y plus 3 into 60 minus X minus Y plus 4 into 40 minus X plus 2 into 40 minus Y plus 5 into minus 10 plus X plus Y. It means Z is equals to 5X plus 4Y plus 180 minus 3X minus 3Y plus 160 minus 4X plus 80 minus 2Y minus 50 and plus 5X plus 5Y. Now Z is equals to 5X plus 5X 10X minus 4X minus 7X. It means this minus 3X means minus 7X. 10X minus 7X means 3X. Now 4Y and this is minus 3Y. It means this is Y only. This is minus 2Y. It means minus Y. And this is plus 5Y. It means what this become plus 4Y. Now this is 180 plus 160 means 340. 340 plus 80 means 520. 520 minus 50 means 470. So this is 470. This is the Z which we have to minimize. Now we have to find out subject to constraints. For this, we will take this all part, whatever we are transferring from factories, this will be greater than and equals to 0. It means one is X greater than and equals to 0, Y greater than and equals to 0. Let us consider this is the first function, first equation, and this will work as the non-negative restriction also. Now another is 60 minus X minus Y greater than and equals to 0. It implies that X plus Y less than and equals to 60. This is the second equation. Then 40 minus X greater than and equals to 0. It implies that X less than and equals to 40. This is the third equation. Now 40 minus Y greater than and equals to 0. It implies that Y less than and equals to 40. This is the fourth equation. And then minus 10 plus X plus Y greater than and equals to 0. It implies that X plus Y greater than and equals to 10. This is the fifth equation. Now, the graphical representation of all this in the same way what we did previously. First of all, we will convert into equation x plus y is equals to 60. By the origin test, it is true. Then x is equals to 40. By the origin test, it is also true. Then y is equals to 40. Again, by origin test, it will come true. And then x plus y is equals to 10. By origin test, it will come false. Now, on drawing the graph paper, what we are observing, we are getting the corner points D, E, F, G, H, I. Now the coordinates of D 0, 40, E 20, 40, F 40, 20, G 40, 0, H 10, 0, I 0, 10. And once we will calculate the value of this thing, what we are observing? We are observing the minimum value is 400. So we can say 400 is the minimum value of Z at 10, 0 in the feasible region. In this way, you have to solve the other questions also for practice, because this part is very, very important. And don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.